Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Umbreon from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw this very cool Pokemon, let's first start by drawing Umbreon's eyes. So we're going to come right here and we're basically going to be drawing a curve coming down. So it's kind of like drawing a leaf. I'm going to draw this curve and then I'm going to come right here, bring it down a little bit straighter and then curve in to connect. There. And then so same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this point across, say about this wide, and we're going to do the same thing. So go up and I'm just going to drag this across. So I'm approximately the same height. And once again, a little bit straighter coming down and then connect. There. And let's come back right here and thicken it all up. Okay, so now that we have these two openings, let's come back in here in about this space right here. We're going to draw an oval and go up. And let's see, I'm putting a little highlight right here. Let's see if it works or not. And shade this part all in. If it doesn't work, then I'll color it all in. So same thing here. Big oval going up. And once again, a highlight and shade it all in. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come in between the eyes and say about right here. Towards the bottom right here, we're just going to draw a little, fill in like a little triangle for the nose. Then let's come back to this point right here on the eye. We're going to come out really close to it. I give myself a point and same thing here. Then from there, I'm going to go around the eye. So we're going to start to draw the head. We're going to go around the eye, draw a curve. And I'm going to come right underneath. So let's say about here. I'll give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to angle this in towards that point. And as we come about here, we're going to straighten out a tiny bit for the chin area. So same thing here. Straighten out a little bit and then start to go back up. And connect everything. There. So just a little bit sharper towards the bottom. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this up. And same thing on the other side. So I'm going to drag this, say about right here. Just easier for my hand to draw down on this side. Then I'm going to skip a little bit of space, kind of where the ears are, skip. And then about right here, I'm going to continue my curve for the top of the head and come right back. There. So about right there. So in this skipped space right here is where we're going to pop in these really long pointy ears. So I'm going to come about right here and we're going to go up nice and high. Say about that much. And then bring it all the way back and connect. There. And then in this space right about here towards the end, we're just going to draw a stripe. There. Okay, so same thing on the other side, about right here in that opening. We're going to go up and just want this about the same height. It doesn't have to be exactly at the same angle. This one could be lower or more angled or straighter. So about right there. And then I'm going to bring it in. There. And once again, about right here. I'm going to draw that stripe. There. Okay, and then the last thing we need to draw is this oval right in the center of the head. So about right here, go ahead, start with my curve, and I'll bring it down in between the eyes. And connect for my oval. And then we need to draw the inside, so just follow your outside. There, all done. And then let me come in here before I forget, just draw a little line above each eye. Okay, so there. Then from there, let's draw the body. So I'm going to say about right here, and here we're going to center it. And let's go down. So we need to draw these long legs from Umbreon. And we're going to angle out and then bring it in. Let's curve in, then say about, let's see here, let's bring this in a little bit more. And about right here on both sides. I'm going to start the front leg. So let's go down and work on this side first and bring this down to about right there, nice and long. I'm going to bring this down, and then as we come about here, the same area, we're going to straighten it out a little bit, and then this part is going to curve out for a paw and then connect it with a curve. And then right here, we draw two curves. So same thing on the other side. There, then bring this in to about there, and then we're going to flare it out just like the other side and connect. And once again, two little curves. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the back. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to angle, line out, and then just bring in a curve and tuck it in about right here. So same thing on the other side. Just tuck it in about the same area. There. And then whatever space you have left, let's say about right here, just connect it. And then for the feet, the back foot, so about right here, I'm going to curve out and down and just tuck it in. And two little curves. So same thing here, curve out and tuck it in. There. And then from there, let's draw the tail. So about right here, I'm going to pop out this really long tail and come to a point and then bring it back in. And then once again, need to draw that stripe. So curve and curve right there. And last but not least, we need to draw some of these details. So about right here, just kind of as if we're drawing the oval. And just like this oval right here, and then there's one here. And same thing on the other side. And one here. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Umbreon from Pokemon. I really hope you love how it turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Stitch videos. See you later.